In this video, I'm going to be taking a look at the best-selling digital camera on Amazon right now. There are tons of digital cameras on the market, so I'm guessing this has got to be good. I'm going to do a quick unboxing here, and then I'm going to test this out and see if it's worth it. So here it is. It's not made by Canon or Sony. This is basically a generic kind of no-name brand from China. Says the manufacturer's name here. I'm not going to try to pronounce it. So this is supposed to take pictures with 44 megapixels and shoot video in 1080p. Okay, so let's unbox this thing and see what's inside. Okay, so we get a drawstring little bag that the camera is packaged in. And it feels very light, and I wouldn't want to drop this. It will probably break very easily. But here's a closer look at it. Let's peel off this little plastic protector from the screen. There we go. And this looks like USB Type-C for charging, which is nice. All right, let's see what else is in the box. We have a battery here. And we have our charger. Another battery. It comes with two batteries. That's actually kind of cool. Have a backup battery. That's good. The cord for charging. USB Type-C to USB. And an instruction booklet, a manual. And finally, we get a little memory card here. It's a no-name brand, but it's 32 gigs. So yeah, this is everything that it comes with. The camera itself. You get a cloth for cleaning the camera. The charger, two batteries, micro SD card, and manual. So like I said, this does feel cheap. Even when you click the buttons, it just feels, not high quality. So on the top here, we have power button and button to take pictures. You can mount it on a tripod if you want here, and you have a compartment for the memory card and the battery. USB Type-C for charging here on this side. Alright, now I'm going to install the battery here. Oh, popped out. Let's get that back in there. And the memory card is going to go underneath the battery. It should click in right there. And we're good to go. Close this up. And let's power this on and take some pictures. Welcome. All right, let's take a quick picture here now. And yeah, it's very slow taking the photo. It kind of feels like a camera from like 20 years ago. So up top here, you can zoom in and zoom out. If you hit the menu button, you can change the settings, and it's actually not set to 44 megapixels, so I'm going to change that right now. And now I'm back at the menu, and as you can see, you could change some settings. I could take a black and white photo, and they have these like kind of different filters you could use. So I'm gonna try another one. I know it's really coming across on the camera here. This one says red, and yeah, that looks red. So just wanted to scroll through some of the settings just to show you guys anti-shake, face detect, language. You can have your date on and off. Image size, smile capture. I'm not sure what that's going to do. But yeah, so that's basically all the settings right there. Now, I also wanted to mention there's no real flash on this camera. You can turn this light on and off, but it's not really a flash per se. And now I am taking some video here. I'm going to take this outside to take some more pictures and video, but just wanted to show you guys what the actual screen looks like when you are recording video. So I also wanted to show the listing of this camera. As you can see, this camera, it's the same camera for the top 3 best-selling digital cameras on Amazon. It's just they're different colors. So yeah, it's really geared or marketed as a camera that a kid could use, maybe like a first camera for a child. And as you can see, it's only $40, which is very cheap. You do get what you pay for. This isn't a high quality camera. As you can see here, again, it is geared toward children. So what I'm going to do now is take this camera outside, shoot some video, take some pictures, and see what kind of results we get. So here is the photo I took earlier on in the video. And here it is zoomed in a little. So I went to a local donut shop and snapped this picture of the donut I was eating. And then I messed around with some of the filters. This is obviously black and white. And here is this green filter. I don't know why anyone would want to use that one. And this was the cool or warm one, I think. So after the donut shop, I walked around town and snapped some photos. It was a sunny day out, as you can see, and honestly, the photos were not as bad as I thought they were going to be. These are set to 44 megapixels, which is the highest settings on this camera. Remember, this camera is only 40 bucks, and yes, your $800 phone will and should take better photos. I did want to show an example of the zoom for the camera. Here's a photo I took on Main Street, and as you can see, there is a flag. there, and I zoomed in on the flag and took a photo, and it looks like this. So, not very good. I wouldn't use this camera for situations where you have to zoom in a lot and take photos in zoom. I did check to see if these photos were indeed 44 megapixels. I'm not an expert photographer, so I looked it up and they came up as 7616 by 5712. And I looked it up and it is indeed 44 megapixels. Alright, now I'm going to test the video out on this camera. I'm on a main street now, it's kind of loud. So here's some clips of me taking video. It was windy this day, and you can hear the wind sometimes. In the start of the clip, you can hear me speak, but the audio is not great. If I was indoors, I'm sure it would sound a bit better. And I'm holding the camera as steady as I can as I walk, but as you can tell, it's still kind of shaky. And in this clip, I test out the zoom while recording video, and this is what it looks like. And this clip is obviously when I was in my car. And in this final clip, I just wanted to show myself basically not moving, not walking like in the earlier video, just really staying steady. So in my opinion, this is not a great camera, but you do get what you pay for. This is only 40 bucks. Pictures were mediocre. Video quality is not good at all in my opinion. Yes, your phone will be much better, but for a kid to play around with, it's fine. And that is how they are marketing this product for. So if you like this video, please hit that like and subscribe button. I would appreciate it. I'll leave a link to the camera below. And if you have a cheap camera, let me know if you like it and how much you paid for it. I'm kind of curious. Thanks for watching.